This short explains the science of sneezes, turning a reflex into a clear, engaging story about the body. A sneeze begins with a tickle, nerves firing, and a built-in safety system that blasts air outward. Air speeds exceed 100 miles per hour, sending droplets racing on currents and humidity to nearby rooms far and wide. Covering the nose, using tissues, and ventilating spaces turn chaos into a protective routine in every room. Seen this way, sneezes reveal how tiny biology and daily choices shape public health for all of us.